Our next startup is a blockchain startup. We were able to attract a startup from the US, Logan from Clarity.
Hi, everybody. How's it going? Nice. My name is Logan, and I'm the co-founder of Clarity, a simple DAO management platform. So with the show of hands, how many people understand what a DAO is? Okay, pretty good, pretty good. So it's an entity with no central leadership. So decisions in this type of organization get made from the bottom up. And they're governed by a group of people or community that are organized around a specific set of rules enforced by computer code on a blockchain. So in other words, what that means is it's a new type of organization where shareholders have access to create and vote on proposals in order to spend company funds and make company decisions. And all of these processes are verified on a globally transparent ledger, which some people would call blockchain. Somewhat alluded to by my question, they're early on the adoption curve. Not many people have heard of DAOs. They haven't really creeped into the real world yet. They're an evolving and emerging technology. But look at what they've done in the last 18 months. The total value locked in DAOs has gone from 645 million to 7.7 billion. The active governance token holders involved in DAOs has gone from 13,000 to 3.7 million. And the number of DAOs that exist has skyrocketed from 40 to almost 5,000. So the problem that Clarity has identified and the problem that we are solving is that to build a DAO on one of the most prominent blockchains, the Cardano blockchain, costs about $300,000 of development expenses. And we have identified over 100 projects, organizations, and startups that are looking for a cheaper solution so that they can put their operations on chain and operate as a decentralized organization. So what Clarity does is it lets anyone create a DAO with custom governance rules, create proposals, and vote on and execute these proposals with a click of a button and for a fraction of the cost. So why are we building on Cardano? The first reason is we see a huge opportunity to be a first mover, as DAO tooling does not yet exist in this blockchain ecosystem. And secondly, we have a technical advantage. Our engineers have built many of the biggest decentralized apps on Cardano and are experts in the functional programming language needed to build high-assurance smart contracts on this blockchain. And lastly, we're community and ecosystem funded. We've been awarded $110,000 from the Cardano ecosystem as a nod of approval saying, hey, what you guys are building is really useful to the ecosystem, and we're going to give you cash so you guys can bring it to market. The next generation of companies will operate as DAOs. And this is because of their ability to push power to the edges so that every shareholder in a company can have a transparent view and transparent influence on the decision that this organization makes. But bigger than this, DAOs are able to, for the first time in human history, DAOs are able to put an organization's operations on a globally transparent ledger, and that has never been possible before blockchain technology. Right now, we are looking for a $190,000 investment to complete our pre-seed round so we can ensure that we have the runway to bring this revolutionary technology to market. Happy to chat with you after. Thank you for your attention, and thank you for listening.